Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a taste adventure. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Swiss chicken wings. Despite the name, this dish is a Hong Kong classic, famous for its rich, glossy, and deeply savory sauce. It's a truly unique flavor profile, a little sweet, a little salty, and incredibly aromatic. We'll guide you through each simple step to create these tender, irresistible wings right in your own kitchen. All right, let's talk ingredients. First, grab about 2 pounds of chicken wings. Drumettes and flats work perfectly. For that signature dark, savory sauce, you'll need a good quality dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, and a splash of oyster sauce for extra richness. Don't forget the sugar for sweetness, a bit of Shéoxing wine for aroma, and a few slices of fresh ginger to really bring those flavors alive. It's a simple list, but the combination is magical. Getting started is simple. First, make sure your chicken wings are super clean. Give them a good rinse, then pat them completely dry. This helps them brown beautifully. Next, heat up a large pot or deep skillet with a little oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully add your wings, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pan. We're looking for a lovely golden brown sear on all sides, building that delicious initial layer of flavor. After your wings are nicely browned, it's time to add the magic. Pour in all your premixed sauce ingredients right over the chicken. Then, add enough water to just barely cover the wings. You want them swimming in that delicious liquid. Bring the entire pot to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is incredibly tender and the sauce has thickened beautifully. When your Swiss wings are ready, spoon them onto a platter, making sure to drizzle plenty of that rich, glossy sauce over them. They are absolutely delicious served hot, fresh from the pot. These wings pair perfectly with a bowl of fluffy steamed white rice to soak up all that incredible flavor, or even some simple fresh noodles. For a little extra touch, sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds or some chopped green onions right before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.